Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AirPlay on your Sony TV. In order to use AirPlay on your TV, first you're going to have to make sure that your TV supports AirPlay. Most devices released from 2019 and onward support AirPlay by default. Some even have it as an input, the default input source method. For example, this TV has AirPlay as an input source. If you press the input source button on your TV, it will show the AirPlay as one of the options to switch to. And in order to enable it, first you're gonna have to open settings on your device, go to all settings list, then go to system on the sidebar, and in system navigate down to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Then go to settings, AirPlay and HomeKit settings, and make sure that the AirPlay is switched on. After that, you're going to have to make sure that both your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. To check the Wi-Fi network on your TV, you're going to have to go back to settings, open network and internet, and check which Wi-Fi network your TV is currently connected to. And then check the Wi-Fi network on your Apple device and make sure that it's the same one. And if it's not, then either switch the network on your TV or on your Apple device. Now after that, you're gonna have to simply start streaming the screen of your Apple device. In my case, it's the iPhone. And in order to start streaming the iPhone screen, you're gonna have to swipe down the control center on it, find the icon that looks like two squares on top of each other, tap on it, and then select the TV from available devices list. If it's the first time you're connecting to this device, then enter the code you see on your TV screen on your iPhone and tap OK. And after that, the screencast will begin. And you'll be able to see your iPhone screen on your TV. And to stop mirroring, you have to swipe down the control center once again, then select screen mirroring and select stop mirroring. You can also mirror some applications, for example, YouTube. You can mirror YouTube itself by selecting mirroring option at the top of your application, at the top bar of your application. Then select once again your TV to start mirroring, and this will open the YouTube app on your TV and will start mirroring the YouTube itself. And if you want to, you can open any video and it will also it will also be mirrored on your TV. If you want to stop mirroring, once again tap on this icon right here and then select below different device, select this device, and it will stop streaming to your TV screen. You can also open some particular video on your TV or on your iPhone or on your other Apple device, and let's wait until the ads are finished. Okay, I can skip this one. And now to stream this video, just tap on this same icon at the top of your video, select your room TV in my case, and this video will be streamed to your TV. And you can also use some additional features after tapping on this icon. You can change the sound volume for your TV by moving the slider either to the right or to the left. And you can also use voice commands if you tap on the microphone icon. Or you can also use the D-pad to control your TV from your iPhone. Now, the YouTube is not the only app that you can mirror from your iPhone. There are also other supported applications, like for example we have Photos app on our iPhone, just open it, then select the any photo from the list, and to start mirroring photos application, tap Share, and then select AirPlay as one of the options. And so then after that, of course, select your TV once again, and your album will start streaming from your smartphone to your TV. And once again, to stop streaming, just tap on AirPlay icon in the top right corner of your screen and select turn off AirPlay, and that's basically how you do it. If you want to forget this Apple device on your TV, you're gonna have to go back to settings on it. Now in settings, go back to system, and then once again to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, then go to settings, and then select reset paired devices. After that, you're gonna have to once again enter the code when you are trying to connect to your TV using your Apple device. And so that's basically it. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.